Hi, welcome to an Onshape video tutorial. I want to do the coupling with draft now in Onshape, and as in Fusion 360 I cannot do a draft with a surface as neutral element, so I did it very similar to the Fusion 360 version. I had no trouble with the fillets here, but I couldn't do a fillet with variable radius because it's not available. So let's have fun with Onshape. Okay, let's start with our reference planes. I need a plane with a distance to that one. Distance should be 205. Another one, distance from this one should be 60. Another one which has a distance from this one 1 millimeter, and the last one, distance from this one, again 1 millimeter. Now I will start with the easy parts or bodies. First would be a sketch on the top plane. That would be nope, sorry, not on the top plane, that's wrong. It should be a sketch on the plane 3. Yes. Now view normal to sketch plane, that's a circle, and the circle would normally be 50, but seems sort of a parasolid problem even in this program. If you do it with 50 it will not work, you cannot unite the bodies, but I will go for 50 right now and I will check on this problem later. Okay, now let's make an extrude with that sketch. Make it in one direction 24. Add a draft 4 degrees and turn the direction around. Second end position should be 1 millimeter and confirm. Now I could mirror this one, so go for mirror. Where's the mirror? There it is. I want to mirror a part, this part, and the mirror plane should be the plane 3. No, not the plane 3, but the top plane. That's the mirror plane, and it should merge add to this one. Merge scope part 1, that's okay, and confirm. First body, second body, or part, whatever you want to call it. That would be a sketch on the on the plane 4. View normal to sketch plane. That would be another circle. Diameter would be 30. And that one should be on that plane. And it should be horizontal aligned with that point. Confirm this one. Make almost the same extrude as before. Okay, with this one, make it a new solid, that's okay. And that would be 14, again a draft, 4 degrees, turn the direction around, and the second end position would be 1 millimeter, and enter, and confirm. Now let's mirror this one. So I want to mirror this body. And the mirror plane would be the plane 2, yeah, and it should merge with part 2, that's okay, and confirm. Now let's hide those two bodies and draw the next sketch. That would be on the front plane. And should look something like this. Okay. Now that point should be aligned to that plane, and that line should be coincident to that plane. At dimensions, this would be 42.4, and that would be 46.7. Now these elements should be for construction only, so change them to construction line. Now let's add some more lines, maybe like this. Okay, use midpoint. That point should be midpoint of that line. That point should be midpoint of this line. This point to that line. Come on. And these points should be vertical aligned also to this one, these two, and that one to this one as well. Okay, add dimensions. This should be 30, and this one should be 16. Confirm that sketch. Now let's make an extrude with that profile. Make it symmetric. Make it 60. And confirm. So the next sketch on the top plane. On the top plane, it's a little bit slow. Okay, this could look something like this. Okay, now that point should be the midpoint of that line. And this one is collinear to that one. Really very slow right now. Then add dimensions. This line should be 50, and that angle should be 86, and this one 86 as well. Confirm that sketch. Now let's make an extrude and intersect. Make it, for example, symmetric, or through all with that one. Second end position should be through all as well, and confirm. Very nice. Now let's add some fillets. 10mm on this edge and on that edge. Confirm. Another fillet which should be 40mm right there. confirm, and one with 26 millimeters right there, confirm. Now I want, let's hide this one, make a copy of my sketch 3. Yes, so copy that sketch and paste it. Yeah. On to that one. Control V. So that's my sketch, yes. Let's check. And go for copy and paste the sketch right there. It's really slow today. Okay, now let's edit this one. Take the profile and just move it. Look normal to the view. And now use midpoint. That point should be midpoint to that line. And this should be right there. Collinear coincident, yes. And this one should be right there. Okay, now all these, make all of them for construction and change this one, that one, and this one back to standard. Okay, leave the sketch. Now let's make an extrude. That should be a surface, and that would be okay. Make it symmetric, make it 60 millimeters. Confirm. Now let's add a fillet right there, which, no, not, yeah, that's the edge, that's okay. And that should be 25. Confirm. Another fillet right here, and that should be 16. Confirm. Now I need two offset surfaces. One from this one with 1 millimeter in one direction. Confirm. And another one in the other direction. Same surface, 1 millimeter, but the other direction. And confirm. Now let's hide surface 1. And now I want to split the faces, this one and the other one on the other side with these two surfaces. So let's take a look. Where is it? That's the one. Split face, this face and that face, and I want to use this surface and that surface. So it's red, seems like. Yeah, that's crap. I selected too many. That's more like it. These two should be selected. Yes, and confirm. Now let's hide those two surfaces, and there should be two edges right there. Very nice. Now I will use a sweep as I did in Fusion 360. Therefore I need a sketch right on that plane. No, not on this one. Nope. Sketch on that plane. And I need this point right here, so bring it into the sketch, draw maybe a triangle and add a dimension. I could use that edge and that line and give it an angle of 4 degrees, and you could dimension this, let's say 10. Well, that's not enough, so go for 20, and this might be, yeah, 30. Doesn't really matter. Confirm. Now I want to use the sweep with that profile, and I want to remove something, and the sweep path should be this edge, that one, okay, remove it from part 3, that looks good, and confirm. So yes, I got, let's take a look, yeah. Now I could mirror this feature, so go for mirror. No, where's my mirror? It's not this one, it's, there it is, mirror. Not a part, but a feature. And I want to mirror this feature sweep. And the mirror plane would be the front plane. And confirm. Another sketch. Again on the right plane. And I need this point, and let's view normal to the sketch plane. Draw again a triangle, give it dimensions. That would be 4 degrees. This might be 20, and that might be 30 as before. Now let's do another sweep with this profile. Again, go for remove. Sweep path is now that edge right here. Remove solid part 3, keep profile orientation, I think I forgot this one. So confirm, and I have to check the sweep before. Yeah, keep profile orientation. I forgot this one. Okay. Now again I could mirror the sweep. And I want to mirror this one. And the mirror plane would be the front plane. And the entities to mirror should be that last sweep. And of course it should be a feature. This one. And confirm. Very nice. I could hide the planes, yes. So go for hide all planes. Now let's add some fillets and maybe show our other parts, bodies. Very nice. And there are no fillets with variable radius, at least I don't know if there is one. I can't see one. So go for a standard fillet on this edge. Okay, that edge, this one, and that one, and I use 5 millimeters. That's okay. Now I want to have small fillets. Let's say 0.5 on this edge and that edge. No, it's really slow. Okay, confirm. Next fillet, again 0.5 on this edge and that edge. Confirm. And again 0.5 on this edge, that edge. Come on. And it should. Let's take a look. Maybe I have to select them manually because it doesn't proceed on its own. Confirm, and the same on the other side. Fillet 0.5. This edge, no, I think it went through. I'm not quite sure. Just to make sure I could select them. Doesn't matter. Because it seems it. No. And confirm. Now let's try to make a union, and we'll see it will not work because that face goes right there, and that's 50 and that's 50, and it doesn't work. It's like a solid parasolid problem. So I will change that radius to a different value. Let's check. So I want to make a union between this body and that body. Works. Confirm. Next I want to make a union between this body and that one. See, it doesn't work. So what you have to do in this case is, let's go and check this one out. Yeah, I could thicken it. That would be also one idea to do it. So I have to go to sketch 1 and change that value from 50 to, let's say, 50.5. And now it works. Go for Boolean, one body. And second body. See? Okay. Now let's add some fillets. Let's make 6 millimeters on this edge. And that edge. Oh, it's really slow today. Okay. Confirm. Another one, 6 millimeters on that edge. Confirm. Another edge fillet, 4 millimeters. This one and that one. Confirm. And the last one with 4 millimeters on that edge. Confirm. Now I need 2 holes. If I need a sketch, I will do the sketch on that face. That should be a point right there in the middle. Confirm. And another sketch on that surface. And another point. Concentric, yes. Confirm. Now let's make a hole. Make it through, make it 18, that would be this one, so go for this one right here and confirm. And another hole on that point, make it through, make it custom and make it 30 in diameter. Confirm. Now a chamfer, 1 millimeter on this edge and that edge. Confirm. And another one, let's say 0.5 right here, right there, and confirm. And I'm done. So if you want to see more, give it a like, leave hopefully a nice comment, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.